Welcome to Short and Crisp Algo Trade training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to get the details of today's positions. So you might have taken some trades today, you might have taken some F&O positions, a couple of days back. So what is the today's positions? So if you have taken some intraday trade today, what is the current profit and loss? So where do you stand? What is the net profit and loss for all your trades? So where do you stand with respect to your trades for today? So those details, if you want to take, you can use the positions API to get those details as well. So let's see how to get those data. My today's position, you can create a variable. My today's position, I can use the my client object, and you can call the positions API, and you can use the position type here. Now if you give today's, it will give you today's position. Okay, so if you just try to print it, you will get the today's position details. Okay, so it's running. So yeah, it's done. So let's copy it and see what are the details we'll get to see here. So if you look at here, right, so two entries. So one entry is here, and there is another entry right here. So there are two positions in total today. One is an idea stock, so symbol is idea. The other one is the Zomato. So these are all just dummy trades that I have initiated today, just to show you how it looks. Okay, so if you look at the net change, right, Zomato is it's all of these are just one shares. Just again, right, just for an example. So the net change is 5 paisa change, and same is true for the idea as well. So 5 paisa loss. So if you go to UA also, you'll be able to see the same info. So if you look at the UA, right, so it's fast changing. So if you look at the today's position, it's 30 paise it's right now. Hope you got the concept right. If you want to pull the details of the today's position, you can use this particular script to get the same. Okay, so with that, I'm closing today's session. If you have any queries about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe buttons if you find these videos useful. Thank you.